Are you looking for the sewing machine? In this video we will show the FEIYUE sewing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. First of all, Poolin EOC02 Computerized Sewing Machine. 200 stitches, LCD screen, wide table, 7 presser feet, quilting capable, automatic needle threader, sewing machine for beginners friendly, gifts for mother wife. Brand, Poolin. Color, orange. 200 built-in stitches, extensive variety including utility, decorative, and alphanumeric patterns, all easily accessible via the clear LCD display for versatile sewing projects. 7 versatile presser feet, equipped for a wide range of sewing applications, from basic straight stitching to advanced quilting, enhancing your creative possibilities. User-friendly design, intuitive LCD interface for easy stitch selection and settings adjustment, with convenient speed control and start/stop button for precise sewing without a foot pedal. Advanced conveniences, automatic needle threader saves time and eye strain, adjustable speed control, and a wide table for larger projects like quilts and home decor items. Beginner to advanced, ideal for new sewers with easy setup and clear instructions, yet powerful enough for experienced users with its wide range of stitches and quilting capabilities. The Poolin EOC02 is designed to handle a versatile selection of fabrics, making it perfect for both everyday sewing and creative projects. Delicate fabrics, satin, silk, organza, taffeta, ideal for dresses, linings, and bridal wear. Stretch and knit materials, jersey, lycra, spandex, perfect for activewear and t-shirts. Thin and stretch fabrics require stabilizers to ensure clean, even stitching. Number 2. Sewing machine for beginners. Electric mini portable. 14 built-in stitches with reverse sewing. 2 speeds double thread with foot pedal. Storage bag, cotton fabric and threads extension table. Brand, Decau. Color, bright white. The perfect home sewing machine set. It has the accessories needed for sewing, such as removable extension table, sewing machine storage bag, cotton fabric, and 12 colors of polyester sewing thread set for the sewing machine, etc. You don't need to spend extra money and time to purchase these accessories separately. As long as you purchase the sewing machine set, you can easily get them. Please read the manual and watch the guidance video before use. Household electric sewing machine. The small electric sewing machine is suitable for beginners and children. With a humanized design, the sewing light can be used when natural light is insufficient so that your eyes will not be tired. Thread trimmers and foot pedals are convenient for beginners. Lightweight and portable, you can easily pick it up and go where you want to go. High or low control, double thread design make the stitching stronger and end sewing without tying the thread. There is a speed button on the product to turn the speed in high or slow according to your demand. Portable size and suitable for beginners. Net weight, 5.1 pounds, size, 10.8 inch * 4.7 * 10.2. A new generation of motors provides greater piercing power for thick seams, can sew through various thicker fabrics, and allows you to sew various projects such as altering and creating clothing, crafting, quilting, home decor and more. Good for beginners and has different speeds to ensure safety. Please watch the instructional video on the listing before using the sewing machine. Number 3. HOMEST Sewing Machine Carrying Case. With multiple storage pockets, universal tote bag with shoulder strap compatible with most standard Singer, Brother, Janome, Gray. Generous storage space, storing machines up to 17 by 8 by 12 inches. Spacey main compartment fits most standard-sized sewing machines, compatible with Singer, Brother and Janome. Reasonable layout design, unique thread spool holders and multiple custom pockets provides roomy space to hold sewing items you may need organizing with. Sturdy see-through pockets made it easy to locate the items you were looking for, and protect you from sharp tools. Protect your precious machine. Using well-padded sidewalls, extra cushioned bottom and padded pockets, you can be assured that your sewing machine and accessories will stay protected when traveling. This safety and stylish carry case designed to offer safe and dust-free options, also protect from bumps and scratches. Premium quality and design, this tote is made with the end user in mind and crafted with heavy-duty nylon to ensure the best product possible. The full zip makes it easy to access. Clear pockets are constructed with sturdy PVC, durable and functional to last and be in repetitive use. Travel with your sewing machine. This tote bag is the most stylish and efficient way to take your machine and tools on the road or storage at home. A carry handle and an adjustable shoulder strap and a hook and loop strap closure provide 3 different carrying ways. You can easily take your whole craft room to a class, a meetup or on holiday. Number 4. FEIYUE FI390 Sewing Machine. Energy-saving servo motor, heavy-duty and portable. 23 built-in stitches, multiple needle positions. 6 bobbins and 5 included sewing feet. Brand, FEIYUE. Color, black. Product dimensions 6.3 inch dx 14.37 wx10. Energy-saving servo motor, compared with traditional induction motors. The upgraded servo motor delivers 10% higher efficiency and saves up to 35% more energy. Provides smooth, consistent power for both everyday sewing and heavy-duty projects. Thread jam protection with blinking light. If thread gets tangled or the machine is overloaded, sewing stops automatically and the light blinks to alert you. Clear the jam in seconds and continue working, keeping both your motor and your fabric safe. Advanced stitch and needle position control offers 23 built-in stitches, utility, decorative, and stretch, plus adjustable needle positions, left, center, right, and needle up/down control. Achieve precise seam placement for zippers, edge stitching, quilting, and decorative work. Heavy fabric sewing capability, reinforced metal frame and high-torque motor ensure stable, ultra-low speed control with strong needle penetration. Easily handles denim, canvas, and multiple fabric layers without skipping stitches. Automatic needle threader threads the needle for you, reducing eye strain and saving time. Ideal for beginners and anyone who wants to skip the frustration of manual threading. Complete accessories kit comes with 6 bobbins, 3 needles, 5 presser feet, a foot pedal, and a user manual, everything you need to start sewing right away, making it a perfect starter kit or thoughtful gift. Number 5. AXE Yamazaki Sewing Machines MM10. Portable and super lightweight light-duty sewing machine for beginners. Designed in Japan, foot pedal, mini sewing machine. Great for beginners. Brand, AXE Yamazaki. Color, black. Power supply, 120V 60 Hz. Product dimensions, 4.5 inch dx 11.5 wx 10.4h. Delivers 5 types of stitches in 12 patterns. Includes stick-on QR code that leads to videos assisting you with setup and instructions how to use the sewing machine. Compact size for easy storage. Measures 10.45 hx 11.6 wx 4.55 inch d. Choose between 2 speeds, high or low, and hand switch or foot pedal. Accessories: foot pedal, spool pin cap, 1 needle, 2 bobbin, buttonhole foot, driver, AC adapter. Instruction manual and more. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.